In this video, I'm going to identify some pros and cons of replacement windows that your salesperson may or may not have told you about replacement windows. Now we have 4 windows on the west side of this house that we're going to replace these windows. Now these were already replacement windows from the originals, and these were done about 22 years ago. Roughly 25 years ago, low E glass came out. These windows here have 1 layer of low E, which prevents heat infiltration. Now in 2021, the windows that we're going to be putting in, they're going to be full frame new construction windows, and they have 4 layers of low E. That's going to prevent any heat at all from coming through this side of the house. And what a lot of people don't realize, when you get replacement windows, they're going to leave the old window frame in place. So you're going to have a stud here, which is part of the original house, the old original window frame, and now you're going to have the new replacements. But see how you have this crack right here all the way around the frame? And now your replacements are going to have a crack all the way around the frame as well. Now you have 2 areas of air infiltration. If you were to do new construction windows, they're going to remove this old frame, and you're still only just going to have the 1 gap around the windows. Another thing people don't realize until they're already in is you lose a lot of glass. You have the old frame right here, and from this frame all the way out to where you have glass is about 5 inches. So on the outside of the home, which I'll show you, you're going to have a very wide piece of flashing. Now here's one of the new windows installed. This is not a replacement window, it's a new construction window. Notice the old window frame is gone. This is 1 solid window, and we're back to just 1 gap all the way around the window. This is going to provide much better air infiltration. The only real advantage to replacement windows is the cost. They're probably roughly around $100 to $125 per window cheaper than full frame replacements. You do have the added labor cost of removing those old frames, but you're going to get that all back throughout the lifetime of the home. Your energy bills are going to be lower, the home is going to be quieter, you're going to have less air infiltration, you're going to have actual more glass, and looking from the outside, which we'll do next, you won't have that real wide flashing. This is that kitchen window that we're going to be replacing. Now notice how wide that flashing is. This is looking at the outside of the home. We have the other one replaced, and I'll show you the flashing difference. This is a full frame new construction window. Notice how the flashing is much more narrow. There's much more glass in the window, and it looks more natural as to how the home was originally built. Before you buy new windows for your home, consider all my pros and cons. Consider the added cost of the new construction full frame windows and the added benefits of doing so. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.